Palangi Show and namataka pinakantay.
To all our friends tuning this morning, we say welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. To all the parents and the students enjoying their last few days before school starts. And Imateri was also the first school term. And baking go run dolu rosa ko burko. Anda bilang Eleanor.
Good morning. To everybody this morning. We welcome you another week, another day. It's 19th of January. 19 days of this year we've been passed by.
Right.
So we left with 365 minus 19 days. Are left with us this morning.
Yes.
This morning, kids, students are very excited because of the new books, new bags, new stationeries, and some of them can't wait to go to school and use their stationeries. Yes. Well, next time we're going to utensils.
Yeah.
Ya biar na ngoni bulu turimbure.
Right.
Tak tu lebih kami beli tira. And ngono talagang go ada buni kena nama kitu na Nisa. Buka biar the first time to go to boarding school.
Oh yes.
And don experience binaka. And nabi buke na nonra multaki.
Right.
Meron don citizen binaka. And nabi singa di mataka.
Mele available all the way from Brisbane in Australia, mula binaka Nongu, all bina Gold Coast, Australia, Kalungatakoto, Kimen Mili Ratumbola, and everyone. To especially to the mama, to the daddy. We thank you for whatever things you have been provided for us all throughout the year from last year. Now we learn from new things, for our mistakes last year. We are carry on and we are strong enough to overcome all the obstacles and try again and move on.
Yes, as mothers, during the holidays, we are relaxed. Kimim somebody babaro tungo yan mataka. Preparing school lunches. Screw me hora. Preparing school lunches and breakfast for everybody in the house, especially for students, for our kids. And we always prepare the best for them.
Do you know, what do you think? Only the mothers should prepare the breakfast for the kids or their lunch, or the men too should vebuke?
Men should vebuke as well. If as women are preparing lunch and breakfast, men can wake up and the clothes.
Okay, iko kilat juga di set juga di sana turang takap juga, selebro turang sin takap juga.
Sayang, lebih turang sing takap juga. Lebih turang.
What's your message to all the turang?
They just wake up, they bath, they have their breakfast.
One this.
Yes. And even when they are there, they're sorry than ninta kime me osostiko. Many times, ersebita lagi nga. Sorry that man kime me osostiko. We are busy preparing our kids to go to school. They are like kids too. Many men are like kids.
The Messi, what do you think?
Yeah, sometimes we are on the mood of just want to interfere in mom's carry on. Sometimes we want to help mommy, but out there, daw kami na daga ninta sa reps.
Sometimes men are jealous of their kids. Yes. We women are spending most of our time with our kids. Husbands are now becoming jealous.
Why? That's our son. That's our daughter.
No, because mommy is not spending enough time with daddy. You know, they're starting to.
Where were you during funny time?
Because daddy want to be funny. When mama is concentrating on preparing the things for the kids, daddy too want to be there. Why, daddy? Why are you spoiling mommy's?
When the time daddy should be home to spend with mommy, daddy elsewhere. Now daddy want to.
Because the family is like a triangle.
Right.
Wherever you go at a point.
Right.
Or na puno loki nanti kinanda na puno relation takina. If you go on the top, you'll meet mommy. If you go on the left, daughter. It's like a family. It's a bond.
Yes.
Our three stool.
Three-legged stool. Yes. And then
we have to go together. Daddy is there, mommy is there. We are helpful. But mommy, if you are there, you are doing whatever you do. We know that you are tired.
Nakamoda kamongo. Every morning before they leave for school, daddy should go and train, walk.
Yes.
Tombal mo ni sala.
Right.
When mommy and the kids went to school, you come home. Lalo tu na pale.
Wala naman kanto na busi ka ya. Karena lolo nas mata kalila ya. Boleh naka inos and everybody joining this one. Sometimes it's a lesson learned. If daddy out there, we have to help mama. We have to help the children. If we have the pig, we go and feed the pig.
Right.
Itu na manu bebo ke na apa ko rin
Sasama
no baba.
Sasabihin ko rin.
Sometimes we have to do this before the night. Kami nanoa, rin na tumikina. To help them and enjoy. Because family is helpful. Family is for everybody. Family is for everyone to help each other.
Nangunan ron na biyo si tagatok. Yes, nangunan ron na biyo si tagatok kina na yada, na itabi baya. Doon na rin talaga na live na numero filomani.
So all the daddies, if your weakness last year is spoil mo kung masabi saw, sulit ang alam pang na se ngol may balikur may bibu kaya baru tak nabi kami balitir na mon maka kira nabi kami talagang balitiko. Kapag tangan ka mo na, dor ka mo na.
Just like this. Kana the tastable food that you ever taste in life.
It's the table.
It's a table or no. I want to say this, because if mommy is there doing the bambakaw, satanan pala, you can standing there onto the
fray.
Yeah, fry.
Right. Fry the bambakaw, yes. That way you are also bonding. Yeah, spending quality time. That is one. Yes.
Time. And you talk to each other.
Right.
Kuna baby tu nakananika kanang gonito sa kawan. Or to nang ngonit ngar to na bibi bu. Kasi baby no.
Right.
Kung nga direkta ka na time dahil wala converter la job ta.
Mo time is very very important in the family mood.
Pero pinaka to all the mothers and the papas, the dadas, the daddies listening in this morning, we say binawala besar beng karabi. Pagod din pinaka muli pagparaw beer na lubentan back to school for 2026. Oi, Arunaka to Ndo, Isaac Wetana and all the family. We say Arunaka to all the friends who are working in the neck.
Nambay Tabo.
Oh, Nambay Tabo. Doon naman Ndo.
It's Lembo Day at Namboy Tabo.
Yes. To all the turang ni Koros watching this video later may muri. Pero boleh besar bito kan matang di ko bikim ni nasi ni koro. Turo bikin dapat talaga bikim ni matang di kuah.
Ona totongo to bata pito tawaki.
Oh, ano man ka ratu tau. Sa may pertani
Iyo.
Gor no man bina boleh besar ni lolo mamin.
Awa ke meru kala mandala na lembo.
Lembo lante.
Siya nga.
Oya lambo ya, lambo.
Lambo. Na lembo ya into na kakar ko na tabiyo kaya ga mix matal sa ina day. Ed Namboy Tabo. Te kon kaya na imbal-balin nila lembo dingo sige into talbeka sige madala.
Ano besar matang li si ba?
Iyo, wow, totoka.
Iya.
Remesio ro mata yan rubenaka. Rubenaka dasa.
Kalau pati kena sodas may lembo. Benar-benar besar may kibre na kada rongoda no muhat.